How did these small jigs that I made out of scrap 2x4 help me save my bandsaw? Stay tuned to find out. Take a look right in this area. The tire has shifted all the way over, so it's mostly off of the wheel. Seems like it might just be that my rubbers are getting a little worn and need to be replaced. I got these. Very colorful, and hopefully they work really well. First, I'm going to detension the blade. So, actually looks like this will be pretty easy to take off. I was worried it wouldn't release very well. Easy peasy. To get this guy off. He's already mostly off. Hey, let me just space that out a little bit more. And it no longer was rubbing there, but then I later discovered my issue with... Hooray! This feels too small. You know what, I am going to get it on the back side because there's a lip right here, but there's not a lip on this side. So if I can get the whole thing kind of on the inside of the wheel and then try to slip it on from there, I think that might be easier than trying to get it over this lip. I'm going to adjust the tracking. I hope you are all enjoying my struggles here. If you are, please reward me with a like, a subscribe, whatever you feel is most appropriate. You know, I'm going to try throwing some painter's tape onto the areas that I've already got secured. And by secured, I mean tentatively hanging on by a thread. All right, I'm feeling better about things already. Probably foolishly. I think I'm going to do some more Googling. See if there's an easier way to do this. There's got to be an easier way to do this, right? All right, so I just did a little bit of Googling and I found a video from the Wood Whisperer. He said to remove the wheel, soak the urethane tires in hot water for a few minutes, and it should go on quite a bit easier. But I've never actually tried to remove the wheel entirely. I might just take off this whole piece here. That'll give me a little bit easier access to... I just went with hot water from the tap. I didn't put this on the stove at all. Friend dropped off some cream soda and of various varieties. Quite delicious. Thanks, Cameron. Is there a better cleaner to use than Simple Green? If so, let me know in the comments. Oh, you know what? This does have a lip on the back side. It just didn't feel like it had a lip back there. Huh. So I guess putting it on the interior wasn't any easier to get it over the lip than just going over this side. So I'm brilliant. Let me try some rubbing alcohol. Let's see if the urethane tires are warm enough now. And another thing that would whisper suggested was using some spring clamps to hold them in place. I don't know where my spring clamps went. I guess the spring clamps weren't actually that hard to find. Just had to think about where I would have put them. Let's see if they work. And on this one, I've got this metal in the middle that protrudes out. So I don't have a great gripping surface to clamp on because it's only less than half of the width of the tire or of the wheel. So I don't know if it's going to be better to try and clamp it just like that, or to try and get it in the center like that, but have it on that edge. Okay, if I just go on the edge, is that enough to hold? Yeah, if this wheel were different, if I had more clamping pressure available there, you know what, maybe I just need to make a little jig. Put that guy in place. Put that guy in place. I'm going to go heat this water. So I did end up pretty close to boiling it, and I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it right now. So it's pretty warm. I also decided to pick up another soda. This one's red cream soda. Delicious. Mm. Thanks again, Cameron. All right, I think I mostly got it. I wonder if I could take this guy off. Let's see, I need an Allen wrench. Any ideas, guys? I can push that in. I don't know how to get that. Oh, ah. Okay. Basically just a little cube type thing. So I pushed it back, and then I was able to pull this out. This feels a lot easier to do than trying to work with it on the bandsaw still. So that's screw on the outside. Little dry, I've never heard anything, did it? All right. And I think I'm going to put the blade on